How to fix? There is a system repair pending, which requires reboot to complete. Restart Windows and run SFC again. First delete all Windows Update cache. For that, first open File Explorer. Open C drive. Open Windows folder. Open Software Distribution folder. Delete all content in Download folder. Now check for Windows updates. After download and install complete, restart your computer. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.